Hello. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to quickly integrate your HubSpot with the official WhatsApp Business API using the Chat Architect app. After a few steps, you will be able to send the first message. To start, go to your Profile menu. Then go to Profile and Preferences. Select the Integration section. Open the Connected Apps subsection. Press the Go to App Marketplace button. Type Chat Architect and select the app. Click on the Install button. Enter your WhatsApp Business API key. Fill in the app secret input field. Choose an email address. Click on Save. Press the Proceed to HubSpot button. Enable the Use the HubSpot email for sending messages option. Click on Save. To test sending and receiving messages, send a message from your personal WhatsApp number. In the CRM section, open Inbox and select the incoming message. Type a reply and press the Send button. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to use our integration with WhatsApp Business API. If you have any questions, we recommend that you visit our website or contact our support team.